Alright, so we got a pretty popular one here today. On the Silverados, Tahoes, 2015, 18, 19, I can't remember the exact year, but they all, with these 8-inch style screens, they don't work. And this customer's having problems. He can't get into no menus. I mean, that button works, but every once in a while it kind of has a ghost touch is what they call it. So today I'm replacing this screen with a new screen, and he's gonna have no problems after that. But I'll get back to you with when I'm done. And Alright, cool. Got it all finished up. Now everything is working as it should now. So no more, all the buttons work. So pretty cool little fix. There's a lot of these vehicles out here in the Chevy brand that have this problem. So get with us and we'll get you taken care of.